Welcome to Prompted AI Lab, and today I'll show you how to automate your job hunt or lead gen using Bardeen.ai in just one click. Imagine this. You're on LinkedIn, and instead of copy-pasting every contact manually, Bardeen scrapes the name, job title, company, and even email, if visible, instantly. Next, it auto-logs that info into your Google Sheet, nice and clean. And the best part, it sends a personalized email from your Gmail, all done in one smooth playbook. No code, no boring copy-paste, just real-time automation for students, job seekers, and pros. Install the Chrome extension, connect your apps, and create your playbook. It's like having a virtual assistant inside your browser. Drop a comment with Bardeen if you want the exact workflow, and follow us on Instagram, plus subscribe to our YouTube. Links in bio.